Hi everyone, my name is Mike and welcome to Compunet Infotech, Vancouver and the Lower Mainland's most trusted name for managed service, cybersecurity, and outsourced IT support. Compunet Infotech was founded with one guiding principle: to provide the best outsourced IT services, cybersecurity solutions, and help desk support for small to larger businesses, not only in Vancouver, but across the entire Lower Mainland. There's no shortage of IT companies across the BC Lower Mainland, but Compunet's complete commitment to client satisfaction and service makes us stand out compared to all the other IT services, not only in Vancouver, but across British Columbia. Frustrated with your current IT services company? Well, reach out to Compunet and speak with our team of IT service professionals for an immediate free quote and consultation. We can be reached at 604-986-8170 or visit our website at compunet.ca.